AI is evolving every second. And so, here's the latest AI news from the past week in under 3 minutes. First up, Nvidia has officially become the world's first company to cross a $5 trillion market cap. That's more than the GDP of Japan. Fueled by its AI chip dominance, Nvidia's valuation now beats Microsoft, Apple, and Google, and Wall Street says it's still growing. This milestone proves one thing: AI hardware is the new oil for tech companies. Next up, Elon Musk just launched an AI encyclopedia, a bold move to challenge OpenAI and Google in the information space. His new project aims to create a fact-checked, transparent knowledge base trained on verified data. Basically, Musk wants to reinvent Wikipedia for the AI age. If it works, it could completely reshape how AI retrieves and explains facts online. Moving on, Claude just landed inside Microsoft Excel. Yep, Anthropic's AI model is now helping users analyze, explain, and visualize spreadsheet data directly. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Excel, instant insights, automatic formulas, and even chart generation without typing a single function. Microsoft clearly wants every app to have an AI brain now. Next up, Google just introduced vibe coding in AI Studio. It's a new way to code using natural language and live previews, kind of like talking to your IDE. Developers can describe what they want, see it appear instantly, and tweak code with simple prompts. It's Google's latest step to make coding feel more like collaboration than work. Now moving on to some quick updates, PayPal and OpenAI have signed a major partnership. ChatGPT will soon let users make direct PayPal payments inside chats, unlocking AI-powered shopping and transactions right where you talk. That's all for today's AI news, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and stay tuned for more quick AI updates every week.